In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a RS file download directly into an article. Now to do this we have to go into the back end of the website, and to get into the back end of the website you go up into the URL bar at the top of your web browser and notice where it says www.stand2.org/Joomla. Just click into the end of that so the cursor is flashing at the end and just type in administrator and press enter. Okay, this is the back end of the site. Again, you use your same login name and password as you do for the front end and just click it onto the back end. Mine's defaulted in there, so I'll just click login. And you're taken to the admin site of the Stand2 site here. So to get to the article, we click on the article manager, and this lists all of the articles that are in the website. Now you can see there's quite a few there. Currently 2 pages, which isn't too bad, but we can filter this out a little bit by using our categories. Now, if we know what category we're looking at, we just go into the select a category filter, and we'll check on the FG indexation category. And what that does is that will only list now the articles that are in that category, which is pretty handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a document download in the current developments article. So we'll click on the current developments article here, and this is where we can edit the article from the back end. Now notice the editor is exactly the same editor as the front end, front end of your website, and you can do all the same editing in here as you could out there. But what we're going to do, what we're interested in at the moment, is the RS files button down here. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just scroll down to where we want to put the, in fact we'll put it at the top so we can see it. So just underneath the first one, 11th of August, we'll hit an enter, and we'll have our cursor flashing there. Now all we need to do here is click on the RS files button, and a window will appear, and notice that it's the same folders as the RS files folder structure is at. So we're going to put we might put a letter in there, right? So we'll click on the letters. Okay, there's a list of letters here that we have stored in our folders. So basically let's click on the Peter Chris one for the 3rd of August. Click on that, and notice now that it puts a piece of code into your article, into there, right? That will show the download window for that particular file. So all we need to do is click on save, okay, and that is it. All we can do now is to have a look at it. We go view site, okay, let's now navigate to the article, and there's our current development for November, so we're going to navigate to that page, and you'll notice now that there's a download article in the article itself where you can download, view the details of, you can click on the link to see the go to the page, or you can actually view the document itself using a lightbox. So that's pretty cool. There's the letter there, okay, or you can download it, and that's how you add a RS files download directly into an article. Any questions, you can email me or get me on Skype, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.